Hello, everybody. 안녕하십니까, your tanan. 你好，我是莫山，是三大大黑马是的，欢迎你下线。 Namaste. Welcome once again to When World Reacts, when we talk and we react to all things BLGL, LGBT plus related, with us and splash of K-pop, B-pop, and T-pop here and there. And whether you're watching this side on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back for seeing the hat. We're going to be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 7 of Sashes and Hearts. Yay! Because in the last episode, like, excuse the people that are waking up still because I am filming this on the time that they're waking up already. So excuse the people that will be going in and out. I do apologize, and someone is using their room, so I have to use the downstairs for the meantime. Now, going back in my recap, in the last episode, after almost getting sexually exploited, Jack got to talk to Sir Lemuel about the whole situation, and Sir Lemuel was not having it, while Jack is also pissed off about it. So I do hope that hopefully in this episode, like the coming episodes, Jack will realize that Lemuel has been using him all along to get the money and the cash prizes for his own personal gain, and I'm not with that. I'm really not with that. Meanwhile, there is a little bit of tension between Jack and Thomas are also kind of getting along by, sexually joking each other and, being a bit more interested towards each other, which to Tony, it's kind of like an emotional cheating in some sense. But since Jack and Tony are not really officially together, and it's just Tony who has a stronger feeling or a stronger attraction towards Jack, things are going well for the other party while Tony is not having it. We left up on the last episode though with Tony confessing his feelings towards Jack. Although I don't like how he forced him to feel things and stuff, but at least Jack still has valid feelings of not romantically liking Tony, since he has been treating him platonically for various reasons, and Tony is really hurt with that. I do hope that they got to fix things up because it ended up in a very bad way, while Charlotte and Jin are just going along with each other, even in Enchanted Kingdom. So let's see how they're gonna figure things out in this episode. Hopefully they will be able to figure things out, but we will just see how things will go. Wala patagalin, I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's continue our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. This is once again episode 7 of Sashes and Hearts.
Dream come true.
Ano?
Wala.
Narinig ko yung sinabi mo. Sabi mo, dream come true. So, dream guy mo ako.
Kapala,
Shumera.
sabi ko, hindi ko ang dream boy ko.
Wow.
Grabe. First time ko kasi makipag
Ay, pag ano? Ba't di mo kaya sabihin? Ginagawa mo naman.
First time ko makipag make love.
Oh, make love.
Kalma. Make love. Masyado kang advance.
Okay.
Sex lang to.
Sorry. Kasi never pa ako makapag-experience ng ganito
Jin.
First time ko. Kaya, nakakaya sabihin.
Kaya pala dream come true, no? Ano? Nag-enjoy ka ba? O na-disappoint kita?
I didn't like how he mentioned it's just sex.
Pwede na.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Gusto mo round 2? Ha?
Bakit? Kaya mo pa?
Oo naman.
He is a
Tignan
strong
natin yung lakas
bitch.
mo dito.
So, you two had a good time last night?
Opo.
Mukhang napagod kayo eh.
Ha?
Yeah, sa theme park. Kasi napadaan ako sa kwarto ninyo and parang may narinig akong sound.
Sounds? Sounds?
Parang merong humihilik.
Yeah. At least the mother is
Masyado po
aware.
kasing nag-enjoy si Jared sa mga rides eh.
Oh,
Is that true?
Opo,
You
madam.
enjoy the
Ako, ano din
ride.
kayo, mag-enjoy din kayo sobra.
Talaga. Next time I'll join you.
But not those rides, okay? That's not
Pero
big festivals.
sana may energy pa kayo mamaya for the fitness training.
For the fitness
Siyempre, ma'am.
training.
Hindi kami mapapagod. Kahit mag-warm up pa nga kami.
That's good. Winner!
Sorry, Doc, na-late ako, ha?
Bakit naman ganun ang ginawa ni Jack? Ayos-ayos ang usapan natin.
Excuse
Pasensya
me,
ka
sir.
na. Ginawa ko na yung part ko.
What
Ikaw
the hell?
naman, nandun ka na eh. Sana pinush mo na.
Diyos ko naman.
Ew.
Kailangan pa ba ako mamilit? Nagbabayad na nga ako.
Pasensya ka na.
Ew.
Eh, alam mo naman si Jack. Eh, first time niya kasi, Doc.
Diyos ko. Magkaka-wrinkles ako niyan at saka stress.
But what the hell?
Alam mo na, pasensya ka na. Kita mo naman, di ba, sobrang fresh niya. Hindi ka na dumlugi.
Eh kaya pala ganun ka-premium binayad ko sa'yo naman. Naglalaway tuloy ako dyan. Sana next time ha, ako mauna.
Nako,
Ew.
mahaba ang pila. Pero I'll make sure ikaw ang mauuna. Matitikman mo din yan.
Promise.
Konting push lang yan kay Jack.
I am disgusted by
Ako
this
bahala.
old man.
Kailangan lang niya maging desperate.
I'm not having it with these old
Mag-order
gay
muna
men.
tayo, ha?
Sure.
Waiter.
They're just so disgusting. I cannot. Seriously. Whew. I feel disgusted. It's just very wrong. And to think that that is his manager was doing it for the sake of own personal gain.
Anong hinahanap mo dyan? Malapit na mag-simula ang fitness challenge natin, ah.
Not your ex.
Ano? May problema ba?
May mga tao lang na nangungulit sa akin.
Eh, makulit ka din naman eh. Bakit di ka makipagsabayan?
Not on his
Kung
ex.
pwede lang
though.
mag-block ng tao sa totoong buhay na. Kagaya sa social media. Tagal ko na sanang ginawa.
Ang seryoso nga yan.
It is.
Hoy, kung kailangan mo ng mapagkukwentuhan yan, ha, dito lang ako. Kung ayaw mo naman, dito pa rin ako.
Tara na. Malate na tayo sa physical fitness challenge. Tara.
Oh, eto na ang tumbler mo. Pinuno ko na ng tubig yan, ha. Hindi na alak. Alam mo, sana madali lang fitness challenge natin mamaya, no? Okay ka lang ba? Parang napagod ka sa akin kanina.
Not because of that.
Gusto mo pang umisa? Wait lang.
Not that.
Kaka na namang seryoso. Siguro, may sakit ka?
Wala akong sakit.
Eh, anong kailangan mo? Gusto mo ng kiss? Ang hug? O gusto mong umisa pa? Wala akong kailangan sa'yo. Tsaka pwede ba, Jared, huwag ka masyadong clingy.
Not him being
Okay.
pissed.
Special sa akin yun eh. Tsaka, first time kong, you make love. Hook up lang yun.
Hook up.
Hook up?
Good.
Akala mo naman magpo-propose na ako sa'yo, makapagsalita ka naman.
Exactly.
Tandaan mo, Jared, parehas lang tayong lalaki.
Go, excuse
Nalibugan
me.
lang tayo.
Go in the year 2025.
Nagparaos tayo. No strings attached, bro, okay?
Jin, in the year 2025, you're saying that. In the year 2025, you're still...
Jack, I have a good news.
That is so old and fucked up.
Ah,
Oh
yung
my God.
trending kong interview.
Nag-trending ka?
Hindi niyo po ba napanood?
I'm sorry, hindi ako na-inform. Alam mo namang busy ako sa iba kong talents. But Jack, I have a even better news. Are you ready?
No.
Napili ka to walk at the Myla Peralta Fashion Show.
Ew.
O diba? Alam mo bang si Myla Peralta? Ang pinakasikat na fashion designer in the country. Make sure na i-apply mo lahat ng natutunan mo sa modeling workshop na in-enroll ko sa'yo, ha?
Okay po.
He doesn't even need to go to your workshops. Sir, well.
Okay ka lang ba? Wala ka na naman mga pera? Mag-a-advance ka na naman ba?
Ah, hindi naman sa ganun po. Sunod-sunod lang kasi yung good news eh.
Ano ka ba? Deserve mo yan. Kasi masipag ka. At syempre, I am your manager. The best manager.
Not the manager card thing. Not that I watch them well. Not that I fucking watch. Okay, let me do some technology check first before we continue. Again, apologies for the people passing by. It's already 4 a.m. Okay, let's continue.
Myla Peralta? Big time to ah.
Especially to the people watching on YouTube for the smaller
Grabe,
screen.
gandang fashion show. Uy, sorry. Sa'yo mo ah. Hulaan mo kung saan ako nakuha.
Saan?
Myla Peralta Fashion Show. Ikaw ba? Hindi.
Nowhere.
Ay,
Galing ko pa naman mag-catwalk.
oo nga eh.
Turuan ka ta?
G. Tara.
Isipin mo lang, you have the big balls. Okay? Yan to.
We don't have to use
Masama
the
ako, ah.
box.
Layo.
You don't have to use the term balls, okay?
Diba?
Balls.
Sige.
Isik lang. Ikaw naman.
I
Try
have
mo.
the big balls. I have the big balls. I have the biggest balls, di ba? I have the biggest balls.
Oo.
How much are you teaching to your friends? There? So, you're not that...
Literal yan eh. Hindi ganyan.
Ulitin ko isa. Seryoso.
Seryoso na. Game. Action.
Yan.
Tara kain muna tayo.
Ganun lang yung catwalk.
Oo.
Ginawa mo kanina, literal na lucky belt
Basic
na
lang pala yun. Banas.
Stop. Lalo naman catwalk, madali lang, di ba?
Madali lang.
Sabihin mo lang na ikaw yung pinakamalaking bayag sa buong mundo.
We're not the bayag.
Yes, please.
Sarap. Uy, kain ka.
Sige.
Hindi tayo sa bayag.
Kain mo nga to.
Hindi mo naman pala kailangan. Kaya mo lang.
Ano? Paano ka?
Uh-oh.
Parang bumubulong pa dyan.
But seriously,
Okay.
Jack, you
Oh.
need to fix
Kain mo,
this.
sarap.
Especially in how you treated Tony the last episode. I was still not having it too.
Oh, Thomas.
Basta, sama ko si Jack ngayon ah. Okay pa rin kayo?
Bahala siya. 10 taon ko siya hinabol. Siya magabol sa akin ngayon.
Yeah.
Ano ba kasing sabi ni Jack sa'yo?
Hindi niya daw ako gusto. Mas klaro pa sa malinaw niyang sinabi.
And he didn't accept it.
At least, malinaw sa'yo na hanggang friendship lang ang kaya niyang ibigay.
Yeah.
Sa bagay. Pero sa tingin mo, magiging friends pa kaya kami after nito?
Alam mo, nasa sa'yo yun. Malalim na din naman pinagsamahan niyo. Hindi yun basta-basta masisira. O siya, paano yan? Punta na kami sa fitness challenge namin.
Huy, sama ako dyan ha.
Wag na, mabubor ka lang dun.
Ang mabobore. Alam mo naman makakapagpasaya sa akin ngayon yung mga baby boys, di ba?
Not a baby boy.
Loko ka talaga.
Sige na, sige na. Magbibis na ako. See you dun na.
But if that's what will make him
Okay,
happy.
bye-bye.
I love they get to figure things out. And like talk things out. They just need to talk things out.
Hey,
I'm surprised you're walking too.
why are you surprised, bro?
Not the
Look at you.
paddings.
You're all concentrated and stiff.
Or just because you have the chance.
So, I need to prepare myself. What's wrong with that?
Real models like myself don't make a big deal out on the catwalk. And looking at you, I can tell you're just a try-hard wannabe.
Gore, he did it
You really
with
think you have what it takes to be a runway model?
he did it with Mr. Grand Universe Kinecho for nothing. He did it with pageants for being shitty in the catwalk.
Magandang araw. Ngayon ay magkakaroon tayo ng Aces of Kings Fitness Challenge. At bilang mga candidates, malaking parte ito ng inyong journey at pagme-maintain ng inyong mga ganda at malulusog na katawan.
Period.
At syempre, dito sa fitness challenge na to, malalaman kung sino ang fit na fit sa inyong lahat. Sa fitness na ito, magkakaroon ng premyo.
Premyo?
20,000 cash.
20 po.
20,000?
20k.
Kailangan ko manalo. Ano ba? Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Ready na ba kayo? Ready na! Ready na.
O Jack, bakit hindi ka pabihis?
Yung damit ko daw po, kukontak ka eh.
Magsa-start na yung fashion show.
Hintayin ko na lang po. Sorry, sir.
In-inform ako ng office, hindi kayo kasama sa shoot today.
Oh!
Ha? Ano hindi kasama?
Oh my god, Lemol. Not that look. Not
hindi kasama?
Not that look,
Yes,
Lemol. I am
Myla.
telling you.
Oh no, I feel so bad. Sayang hindi available si Jack.
Yeah.
Ew.
Oo nga eh. Alam mo naman, maraming racket. Pasensya na talaga.
Sana in
What's
the
Jack?
future makawork namin si Jack. Rising star yung alaga mo. It's an honor for him to wear our collection. You know?
Of course, Miley. Alam mo naman nga, di ba? Rising star. So, maraming gigi. Kaya,
This one
pasensya
Jack
ka
should
na
be
muna.
sussy.
Maaasahan ko yan, ha, Linwell?
Yes. Babawi kami sa'yo, Myla. Don't worry, darling. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye, Myla.
This is getting more and more obvious, Lemuel.
Si sir lang yung in-inform sa akin, sir. Hindi daw kayo kasama today.
What the hell, Lemuel?
Anong ginagawa ko dito?
Well, Lichi.
Hi, Doc.
Your manager's
Yes,
taking off
tuloy yung
your
plano.
money.
Kunwari, nahihirapan kaming bigyan siya ng racket para matuloy na ang plano natin. Huwag kang mag-alala. Matitikman mo siya.
Oh,
At
that old
maraming
man.
makakatikim sa kanya. At maraming papasok sa aking anda.
But why do you need a lot of money?
Yes.
I just don't get it. Why do you need a lot of money? You're already famous. I just don't understand this fucking food game.
Okay, candidates. At bago natin simulan ang
My
ating
grandma's eyeing at
fitness
me already.
challenge, kailangan natin mag-stretching. Okay, follow me. The first is stretch your neck. The right,
So-
okay.
He's already questioning me because
Count
of the
1 to
well.
8. 1,
Fuck you,
2,
Noel.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Go not. Go
Okay,
not.
the other
Not
side.
that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next one is raise your arms and count 1 to 8.
1. Ano ba? 3, 4. Masyado mong i-stretch, baka mabanat yung muscles mo.
Reverse.
Pwede ba? Alam ko ginagawa ko, okay?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alam mo,
Okay, the next one.
gusto ko lang naman manalo eh.
Raise your please.
Kaya wag mo
Face to the right.
nakikialaman dito sa ginagawa ko.
Okay. Count 1 to 8. 1,
Bakit parang nainis ka?
4, 5, 6,
Teka,
7, 8.
Galit ka ba sa akin dahil sa sinabi ko nun?
That's
Wow! At sino namang may gaganahang mahilig sa'yo?
1,
Ha?
2, 3,
Seryoso ako.
6, 7,
At laban natin to, okay?
Okay, the next one is...
Tsaka, diba sabi mo na din, may the best man win?
Count 1 to 8.
I mean,
1, 2,
he's right.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the last one is... So, welcome sa inyo mga candidates sa ating panibagong challenge. Makikita nyo ang Cogni Cage na kung saan magkakaroon sila ng ilaw sa loob. And ang twist dyan, itatap nyo lang sila at padamihan to ng points. Ha? Kailangan humanap kayo ng inyong partners.
Jared, akin yun na.
Jared, isa mo partner tayo.
Teka, dun na. Akin na siya.
Carl,
Akin na.
why, if he still has the odor issues, why is he still
ready?
there in the competition?
Get set and go!
I just don't get it. His name is Francis, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Let's go! Let's go!
I don't know. I mean, this is a real exercise. I've seen this on other shows.
Regular days, what's up? Never-ending weekends, ordinary way. You pass me up perfect, wondering architect.
But don't make him drink a lot. He can climb the fucking cage. He can climb the cage as what expected from him.
Jack, hindi ko alam kung nag-James ka ba dito sa pageant na to or I don't know.
Really?
Hindi ko nga alam ano nangyari.
Oh my God, hindi mo ba alam? Ayaw sa'yo ng media as in they hate you.
Lies, lies.
Ganun.
Yeah. At nakarating sa akin na si Allen mismo na CEO ng Mr. Universe Royal ang nagpatanggal sa'yo sa fashion show. Oh God, Jack, kawawa ka naman. Sa lahat ng effort mo. Tapos, matatalo ka lang.
Napakamaldita talaga.
Ay, poor Jack.
Napakamaldito. My God. My God, Dipwit. Dipwit.
Aray!
Ano pa kasing ginagawa?
Hoy,
Hindi naman to.
kailangan niya ng tulong? Physical therapist ako. Kaya kita tulungan, Jared.
Go, I'm telling.
Pwede ba umalis ka na dito?
Sure kayo, ayaw yung tulong ko.
Umalis ka na dito. Ako na bahala. Ano ba?
Just lang ako.
Go, I'm telling
Ayaw
you.
niya ng tulong.
Hindi na nga.
Gore, why are they not telling him that he has body odor?
Doon ka na, mas lalo pang sumasakit eh.
That's why I feel bad for Francis now.
Sige, bahala
like
ka
that
maglakad.
guy.
Tama.
I know they're trying to be funny with that, but
Sakit. Wag dyan. Sakit dyan.
it's just not it.
Sir, may chance pa naman siguro ako manalo, no?
Ang negative mo naman masyado, Jack.
Hindi ako pwede sumuko.
This man is
Kailangan
getting
pamilya
too
ko to eh.
obvious.
Exactly. But Jack, I have to be honest. Bihado ka na.
May oras. O panahon pa naman para makabawi po, diba?
Jack, at this point, dapat kaya mo nang gawin lahat.
Why are you forcing him to do everything?
Ano pong ibig niyo sabihin?
Napakadaming influential people na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo umangat.
Teka lang. Ito yung ano? Gusto mo sabihin?
Jack, we both know na alam mo ang ibig sabihin ko.
And with all...
Patikimin mo kung sino mga gustong tumikim.
My God,
Kung gagawin yan? Kung gagamitin yung katawan ko para manalo.
Huwag kang impokrito, Jack.
At wag kang
Katawan na ang puhunan ngayon. And this is just a new way of using your beautiful body.
Talaga, Limwen? Or you just want to leech him off again and again?
Lalaki ka. Walang mawawala sa'yo, kaya huwag kang magpakasanto.
Excuse me, Lemuel? Really? You saying that? Then you're a hypocrite too for saying that. Someone better investigate Lemuel's actions. Like, he's being too sussy now. Why is no one being sussy at Lemuel? Why is no one, like, not taking initiative?
Ay, pre! Tama ka? Uy! Bro! Uy, to!
Uy, ang lakas mong manapak! Doon ka na! Kailangan namin ng hangin! Thomas!
What I'm telling you.
Thomas!
This
Uy,
is...
Thomas!
God.
Thomas, kikis kita dyan. Sige.
Yeah, just kiss him
Gising
for
na!
God's sake.
Ako. Ano? Okay ka lang?
Like, he just fainted
Ay,
just because
nako.
of his body.
Bigla ka na lang hinimatay sa gitna ng challenge. Yung kasama mo kasi nananapak din. Lakas ng anglit.
Sobrang hirap. Gusto ko nga lumaban pa eh. Kaso yung kakampi ko, isa rin nagpapahirap sa akin.
Apakabaho naman ng kilikili kasi no, amoy anglit na, amoy sukang pinakurat pa.
Nangangantok ka, boksingero ka ba? Sige na.
Go, why are we...
Layo na lang yung baba mo. Close na lang kasi ang arms para hindi nag-ano dyan.
We're just telling him that he has body odor issues.
Hindi ko po talaga kaya gawin eh.
Kaya mo yan. Mahirap lang yan sa umpisa, pero kapag nakasanayan mo, mamaniin mo na yan.
That is so wrong in so many levels, Lemuel.
Ayoko. Hindi ko po papasukin yun.
Sige na.
Ew.
Haba-haba na nakapila sa'yo eh.
Ew.
You won't regret it, Jack.
No.
Magkakapera ka. Magkakapera tayo dito.
Kung pipilit mo yan, alis na lang ako sa management mo.
Jack!
Ang ina mo, Limuel. Wisit ka, Limuel.
Bro! Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Tungkol? Saan? Naniniwala na ako sa'yo. About kay Limuel? Oo. Kailangan ko na yung panggagancho niya sa mga candidates. Binibenta niya yung mga alaga niya.
And he's now the next victim if that will
Sige
be the
bro,
case.
tutulungan kita. I mean, babawi ako. Tutulungan kita.
Oh, you better.
Oh, ba't nandito ka?
Tony, mag-usap naman tayo. Wait lang nga, iwan ko lang kaya.
Yeah.
Alam mo, awkward na tayo. Kaya sana wag mo nang gawing mas awkward pa, okay?
And we need your help too, bestie.
Ngayon pa. Kailangan kita.
Kailangan kita. Jack, that is not how you pursue someone. That is not... you should do more better than what you're saying. Tony?
Alam mo, Jack, kahit naman anong mangyari, ikaw pa rin yung pambato ko sa Mr. Universe Royal Philippines, okay?
You're so kind, though.
Sorry,
Tony.
Bes.
Oo na. Alam mo talaga kung paano ako kunin eh.
I'm not
Pati na tayo?
convinced.
Basta kung kailangan mo ng makeup artist or assistant, sa message mo lang ako, okay?
Yes!
Jack should be lucky.
Yeah, Bes.
Because if I was Tony, I won't give you a slap for the meantime. Like, nah, not for now. You have to earn
Anong oras na?
my forgiveness.
Iniskam lang yata ako nun ah.
I'm glad that he's sassy now.
Jamie!
Respect him.
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Uy.
Is he the one who's texting me? It's the one. So he's the anonymous.
Ikaw to?
He was
I've
another
been wanting
victim.
to tell you and... sana hindi ka magulat.
Wait lang
I know it's a lot to take in pero... Yeah, ako yung nagte-text her this full entire time.
Bakit?
I'm trying to protect you. Bilang tropa ko. And lahat ng maririnig mo from me, starting from now, nasa sa'yo kung gusto mong maniwala. But here's my testimony. Diba, manager mo si Limuel?
Oo. Ikaw
Yes,
rin,
fuck him.
diba? Manager mo siya?
Dati. Dati niya ako naging alaga. And, tinanggap ko lahat ng... Tinanggap ko yung decent proposal niya.
So he got fucked by a lot of old gay men too.
Oh, and
Bakit?
I don't know, una, syempre, paniwala ako eh. Ang dami niyang sinasabi, ang galing niyang magsalita. Sabi niya, ito lang yung kailangan mong gawin, Jamie. Nanalo ka agad.
But it's
Simple lang
just
naman yung
also-
mga hinihiling ko.
If
Ang
you're gonna
galing
think
niya
about
magpaikot ng utak. As in.
Kumagat ka sa paa niya, bro.
It's all in the past.
Sorry, pero... Hindi ko na to kayang sikmurahin mag-isa eh. And the best thing I can do is to tell you the truth. Bago pa lumala, wala pa naman nangyari sa'yo.
Nothing.
Munti ka na eh. Buti. Hindi ko kaya.
Alam ko, this is a lot to process. He seems like a nice guy. Ang galing niya magsalita. Yes, I've been through that as well, Jack. Dati niya ako naging alaga, okay? Tapos, ang dami niyang sinasabi yung maliban sa pinatulang ko yung indecent proposal niya, inalagaan niya ako, oo, maganda nung simula, pinagawa niya yung ilong ko, oo, gawa to. Pero, pinabayaan niya lang. Nagka-infection tong ilong ko. Kinayod ko to mag-isa, Jack.
Oh.
Kinayod ko to para maging maayos. Ganun siya, klaseng tao. Ganun klaseng tao. And I've been trying my best to stop him na makabiktima ng isa pa.
It seems that he's not gonna stop.
Dahil dyan, bro. Siguro ito na yung oras.
Oras na?
Siguro... titistigo na ako laban sa kanya.
Kalma ka lang, wait lang. I've been trying that my whole life, dude. Tagaluto siya ng pageant. Literal ako ginawang tagaluto na lang. Ganun kalalak siya pag kinakalaban mo, Jack. Hindi to biro. Malay mo, ikaw pa yung mabiktima, ikaw pa yung balik pa rin niya. Ganun siya. Kagaling mag-influensya, Jack.
We need evidence.
Kailangan mo na solid na matibay na ebidensya kung gusto mo siyang patumba.
Well, may kilala ako.
Sino?
Well, kaya siya patumbahin.
Sure ka ba dito magbabackfire?
I'm glad that Jack is playing the cards right now. Let's see. Let's see how things will go.
Okay na nga ako.
Sure ka ba na fully recovered ka na?
Hindi ako sanggol para i-baby mo, okay? Magalala, ayos na ako.
Concern lang naman ako.
Well, we'll have a concern, bestie.
Okay. Salamat sa concern, ha?
Feeling ko kasi ako yung may kasalanan kung bakit ka nagkaganyan.
Oh, come on.
Masyado kitang napikon. Wala tuloy yung focus mo.
So that's why, try to improve.
Na-enjoy ka pa.
Huwag kang mag-alala, okay? Ako talaga yung may kasalanan dito. Sinagad ko pa yung sarili ko kahit di ko na naman kaya. Tignan mo nangyari. Pati ako nasaktan.
Ikaw dapat yung nanalo eh. Ikaw yung pinakamagaling doon.
Alam mo, Jane, lahat naman deserve manalo. Yun nga lang, siyempre, kailangan din natin mag-fail para matuto tayo sa mga pagsubok na tinatamasa natin sa buhay. Nako, soon, mananalo din ako dyan. Kaya huwag ka nang sad. Matutuwa ang mama mo kasi nag-effort ka para dito.
Ay, pero ito na lang. Tanggapin mo yung sorry ko. Kasi ako yung dahilan kung bakit wala ka sa focus. Zero yung diskarte mo. Kaya, sorry.
Hoy. Ano ka ba? Ba't ang drama-drama mo? Okay lang, no?
Drama
okay lang
queen.
Yan. Bawi na lang tayo next time. Bawi na lang ako next time. Huwag ka na malungkot dyan.
Sigurado ka?
Siguradong sigurado. Oh. Ano na naman yung pinaplano mo? Ano? Ready ka na naman? Iisa ka na naman. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, nakaraan, dumugo na nga. Pero, isa pa.
If he bled though,
mabilis lang ah.
we need to be very careful about that. We don't want to have like HIV or STDs. Still safe sex, okay? Safe sex.
Masasakitan ah.
Yeah. Like, calm down, Jin, if he's already bleeding.
Uy, di pa ba kayo babangon? Uy! Uy! Bumaba na kayo doon. Ready na yung breakfast.
Opo, ya. Susunod kami.
Tsaka maglilinis pa ako dito.
Ya, susunod kami.
Akin na tong kumot na kabantot na to eh. Ano ba yan?
Wait lang.
Doon kayo sa baba kumain ng hotdog dito. Uy!
Natutulog kami. Yan.
Ha?
Masarap na yung tulog namin.
Huy, umaga na. Ano masarap tulog?
The
Ay,
maid is
naku, bahala
clocking
nga kayo
bitches
dyan.
up.
Sabihin ko kay
Bumaba
mami.
na kayo ah. Tawag ka na ng mami mo.
Salamat, ya.
We're really getting 2 shower safety this episode, and I appreciate Austin Stones for that. Like, thank you for a blessed Sunday morning. Thank you, Lord. As always. Or do not jerk off on the bathroom. Uy. Uy. Tony. Tony, I'm telling you, Tony. No. 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 Tony, do not do this to yourself. Tony, do not do this to yourself. Do not lust over your best friend, who's not even interested in you in the first place. And of course, they can't show ass on YouTube. YouTube does not like ass.
Tanda-tanda na hindi pa marunong magsuot ng sapatos.
Ikaw nagsabing gagawin mo yan. Reklamo ka.
Itong pang to.
Di ba magaling kang magpasok? Bakit di mo mapasok yung pako dyan sa sapatos ko?
Iba pasok ko sa'yo.
Maliw.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Teka. Janet.
Yes. Jin. Ano yun?
Not that she's being
About
Jay.
pala sa sinabi ko noon na pang physical needs lang yung ginawa natin.
Yeah. Which is very wrong. Very wrong.
Ako alam ko na yun, okay lang. Tsaka, naiintindihan ko na dapat di ko na siya binibigyan kulay.
Although he shouldn't have said that.
Hindi yun yung
No.
ibig kong sabihin.
Like, no.
Ang
It's already 2025.
masarap yung ginagawa natin. Natutuwa yung katawan ko dun, pero hindi lang yung katawan ko yung natutuwa. Pati ito. Pati yung puso ko. Ramdam ko yung connection natin. Special ka sa akin, Jared. Hindi mo naman kailangan sumagot agad. Basta nasabi ko na yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Masaya na ako.
Hello, Ja. Huwag kang malilate bukas, ha. Kailangan ma-impress mo sila. Okay? Galingan mo. Bye.
You two are done for.
Don't look at me like that.
Not Daniel working at him too.
Jack's manager. But next to Jack, you're my favorite alaga.
Ew. Oh.
Don't forget about tomorrow. You have a session with Aaron, okay?
I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. Whatever.
Can you find a nice girl for me, sweetie? A nice girl that would take care of you.
Ikaw, kailangan kong bantayan. Huwag kang dikit ng dikit kung panito-nino dun, ha?
I wonder how they're cooking.
Ew.
Hey,
Ew.
you look like doing something funny, right?
Y'all better exploit Daniel, cause no wonder Daniel came to the Philippines. No wonder Daniel came to the Philippines. It is for him to get ruined and be ruined and ruin someone. And I am not having it, besties. I am not having it. I am definitely not having it. Anyways, that is that. That is all of my reactions to episode 7 of Sashes and Hearts. Okay. That's about the episode. I will say that I'm glad that Jack is now being more suspicious about the whole situation. Like, he's really partaking into the investigations of, you know, finding the real truth. Because, girl, like, even if I was, like, part of his management, I will also now be sussy. It took us a while on him being sassy, but I'm glad that he's now being more suspicious and that he's being more critical and analytic towards Jack's actions. And eventually, Daniel is also having a bit of an indecent relationship with him. I'm not sure though if the relationship is for work, to satisfy him, or like romantically speaking. We have to clarify that. But seeing the preview, it looks like they have a relationship towards each other. I don't know. But we will have to see. Or maybe it's just all at work, because that's how it is when it comes to, you know, indecent proposals. Again, sex work is work, but with consent. Unlike what Lemuel is doing right now. I'm not having it, besties. But I'm so glad. I'm so glad that Jamie, which by the way, I'm glad that he's testifying himself, as well as Jack is now planning something to take down that fucking bitch, because Lemuel shouldn't be getting any more money. He shouldn't at this point. He shouldn't. He shouldn't, and he shall not. Okay? He shall not. Also, like, yeah, like, yeah, please. Apologies to my grandma. I keep getting distracted by her talking, but it's okay. Anyway, going back to what I'm saying. Next up, like, I'm not happy with what is happening towards Tony and Jin. Like, Jin saying that what they're doing is just all for fun. Like, girl, since when did your relationship with Jared became a sex work? Like, it's not just all about sex. Okay? If Jared means that you and I, or, you know, like, Jin and him are making love, then that's his definition of making love. It's not that they're hooking up. Like, that is a very wrong thing to say in the year 2025, Jin. Shouldn't be saying that. If he means of making love, then it is very, very sure that he really likes you. He really, really likes you, my dear. So why are you saying that? Why are you saying that? Good thing he did apologize, and he should be lucky that Jared is a kind man, because if I was him, I will slap him in the face, because that was a very indecent thing to say. And also what Tony is doing to girl. I thought we are now okay. Okay, we are now okay with Jack. What are you doing in the bathroom? Being privy and like jerking him off, like, girl. It's already clear that Jack is just your friend. What are you doing now, Tony? If you want somebody, go find on Grindr or something. Like, why are you gonna be lusting over your best friend again? I know that you already have a relationship with him for 10 years. Or friendship, it's valid. But that doesn't mean you should be taking advantage of it for the sake of coping mechanism. For the sake of moving on. That is not how you move on, bestie. That is not how you move on, Tony. Tony. You better not. You better not. I'm telling you. But we will see. We'll see how they're gonna fix things up in the next episode. It's getting more and more interesting now that more truths are finally unveiling. So we will see how they're gonna take things up a notch in the next episode. But that will be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to episode 7 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you are watching this at YouTube or my Patreon. If you guys had this video, give a huge thumbs up for hearts and tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all on episode 8 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Along with the current NBL shells and RV content, so stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, so to speak, thank you all so much for watching and see y'all the next time. Bye-bye! Maraming pong salamat!